Now, if you don't know what dropshipping is just pretty much you find a product from a wholesale website like AliExpress.com, and then you build a website where you will then add the product you find on AliExpress and sell the product for a higher price, which is called a retail price. Okay. So when you see a store selling headphones for $100, they got that product for maybe $20 wholesale and then listed it on their website for around $100. And then when people buy it from their website, they pay the wholesale supplier $20 out of the $100 and they get to keep $80 before any other cost like ads. But since this is a video where you be starting for completely free, there will be no ad spend. Okay, so that $80 that you will make from selling the headphones after you pay the supplier the $20, you'll be able to keep, after processing fees and stuff like that, credit card fees and stuff like that, you'll be able to keep a good, let's just say $60. You know what I mean? If you're running ads, if you're watching this video and you run ads or you need help running ads and stuff like that, if you want to take your stuff to the next level, sell something with that kind of margin, let's say your ads cost you $30 to acquire a customer. You're still going to be making around $30 pure profit per sale. Does that make sense? So whenever you see a store selling something at a price, so, oh my God, those earrings cost $60. It ain't cost $60, motherfucker. They got it for $10 on AliExpress and they selling it to you for $60, and then they're going to keep that difference. So dropshipping is pretty much you just being the middleman. So this is the customer, this is you, and this is the supplier. You put this person together with this person by using your building a store where you're gonna market it, show the product to this person, they buy it. You tell your supplier, hey, send it directly to this customer. Okay. The beautiful thing is that you do not have to see the product, because if you see the diagram right here, it's literally a loop. Customer, your store, you tell the supplier, and they ship it directly to this motherfucker right here with the Johnny Bravo hairstyle. You know what I'm saying? You never get to see the product, okay? That's the beautiful thing, and that's why anyone can start it right now. Literally, watch it after this video. You can start right now, and you can make your first sale within, sometimes literally, depending on if you're running paid ads, you can make your first sale tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? But if you're not running paid ads, obviously, just give it some time. Stick around, okay? For the people who don't want to run paid ads, trust me, you're going to want to see the marketing strategy in this